guys, in this video I'll show you all the ways that I know for you to earn gold in this game. So many of you guys know that the main problem why you can't make your Pokemon strong or upgrade the items is just because you don't have enough gold. So in this video we'll go over a few ways where we can get gold and the main ways to get the most. So let's start. Okay, so first thing first, the first um, the first place where you can get gold and where you can get a lot is here, the luxury cruise with Team Aqua. With Team Aqua, the first the first level, I think it gives you like 100,000 gold. But once you reach a higher stage, you can go ahead and clear them out. I think it's better if you want gold fast to just purchase a chance. The first one is 50 diamonds, which isn't that much, and and if you're at level 4, you'll get 250,000 gold. So just by doing 4 of these in a day, you'll get 1 million gold. So that's a lot. Of course you can do more, but you have to invest diamonds. The other way is a ringing tower. So it's pretty easy. You don't actually have to fight all the trainers. You basically just have to press X whenever the square appears. If everyone starts with VIP 5, you can crush some of them. It will give you the option right here to fight or crash. That's when you face a trainer. Every 5 levels you'll face a trainer, but you don't have to fight them. You can just press crash, and whenever it asks you, when you reach like level 30, I think it will ask you, it won't allow you to keep going on, but there's an X at the top. You will see an X. Just look at it, just like whenever you want to close a window at the computer, just press X and you can just keep going on. Another way is at the gym. You don't get that much gold here, but what you can do is fight a higher difficulty. The higher you fight, the rarer the items you'll get. So with the items you'll get a lot of gold. So let's say these items are not useful for me because I only focus on getting the best items, and the best items you get them at the shop. It'll be red items. So for me, these ones are useful because eventually you will sell them, and you can upgrade them still, but you have to have a really high level here. So right now, like level 14, you get this red things, which is a crimson crystals. You have to get like I think it was 100 or 150. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's like, no, it's 60. But once you reach 60, I think you have to upgrade it again until it turns like this, like this one. So in my opinion, is way faster to get them at the shop with diamonds. One tip to get them uh, without investing any so much money, all you have to do is go to shop and buy a monthly card. For 30 days, you'll get 1,200 diamonds. And if you multiply that by 10 days, it will be like 12,000 diamonds. So if you multiply that times 3 is like 36,000 diamonds. And one item is around 6,888. Yes. So you can buy all the items for one Pokemon. And yeah. Let me see another way. Oh yeah, another way to get gold, a lot of gold, is beating Soaking or Ductrio, or I don't know if the other ones give you more, but I'm able to beat Ductrio and Slowking without any problems. They give you 100 gold and you have 5 chances, so that is 500,000 gold a day. Another way to get around 200,000 gold is on the guild, but you have to have first strong Pokemon in order for you to get more. So my clan here is the top one. They usually put the boss formation at level 3, and I usually get the 12,000. And you're able to, once you reach 12,000, you're able to get like 200,000 gold just by reaching the amount of points. Let me see what I got. What a useless Pokemon. Well, yeah, talking about Pokemon, another thing that we were discussing, me and Pushion, is that he didn't know that you can actually sell the upgraded items and you'll get the gold. So let's say if this item is level 50, you'll get the 50,000 gold plus the amount, the half of the amount of the gold invested in that item. So that's really good as well. If you already have a high level Pokemon, you can just actually restore it, and you will get all the gold gained from that Pokemon. All the it depends actually on the level. So one thing you can do is feed the Pokemon and then restore it. That way you will get the XP and probably a good amount of gold. But I don't recommend that because we want our Pokemon strong. That's the main reason we are getting gold. So without money, you can actually invest it in things like this. So as you can see, just right now, I upgraded this to 3 stars. I had like 2 million gold, and yeah. So I think that's basically it. I don't think there's another way. Oh yeah, there's another way, which is beating Arceus. Arceus, every time you beat him, level 1, I'm only able to beat level 1 right now. It was really hard at first because they're only legendary Pokemons, but they don't have that much life. Once you get some CP, you'll be able to beat them without any problem. If you're looking to get Arceus, you can go ahead and earn for it. But if really don't want that Pokemon, they will give you boxes. Those boxes, you can sell them at 20,000 each. Every time you beat Arceus, they'll give you like 4 boxes. So you'll get at around 12 to 14 boxes depending on your luck. And you multiply 20,000 times 14, that's 200 and 800 gold. And let me see, another way will be using the hammer and the X you get from normal fights and light fights. And once you get some items, you're just gonna sell them. Yeah, just like that. Let me see if I have something else I can sell here. Actually, selling things is a good way. But if you're just gonna sell the hammers alone and the X alone, I don't recommend it. It will be better if you use them and then sell the items, because they cost more. Let me see, there should be something else we can sell here. I have 27,000 just by these events. Always watch out for these events, because right there you're able to get a good amount of things. I was able to get like 50,000 the hearts, I think they're called. They don't look like hearts at all, elemental hearts. I was able to get like 50,000 and upgrade these Pokemons to level, I don't know what level is it. Let me check. I was able to promote them to like, I don't know what stage, but once you reach that, you'll the elemental hearts will be useless. So I don't recommend you to spend that much, because later you will only be using this. And this, where you get it, is actually on the follower. On the follower, whoops, I just won. Oh yeah, another tip to make the Pokemon strong, do these little things. I'll just teach you in a moment. With the expeditions, not only you're able to get rare Pokemon. Here, if you claim it, you'll get like 188,000 gold. Right now, I'm trying to get Jirarji to complete my team, because I already have 2 win Pokemons, like you can see here. It's because at first I fought a Dragonite when I was really low in CP, so I had to, like, I really like the Dragon Breath. That's his ability, because of the true damage. The damage is insane, but right now it's not that useful for me, just because I already have Aerodactyl and his damage is insane. As well, I have Mewtwo right here, which I'm gonna try to upgrade it as soon as possible, because I'm almost finished with the missions. Oh my god, my girlfriend. Let me see. Where's the missions? Oh my god, this event. Guys, if you have time, do this Starmie event. It's gonna be from to the 23rd. Basically, you'll get a 3-star Starmie when you do an elite mission. So you have a really high possibility. I was able to get a 6-star Starmie last time. It's not that strong, so I would rather sell it. and get better Pokemons from here, from the Poke Shop. You don't want a Pokemon from there, you can just keep it, and once you reach a good amount of once you reach a good amount of what is this called, a good amount of value, you'll be able to easily get Entei or any Pokemon that you really want. Always stay tuned for that thing, for those kind of events. What's this? Oh my god. Yeah, so always stay tuned here with the events. That's one great tip, because you don't know when they're gonna uh, show a great event. As well, if you're gonna go ahead and put money in the game, the Oxus is really strong. They asked me a couple of times which one is the strongest one. In my opinion, it depends actually on your team composition. So I already have a really high damage already with Aerodactyl, and Mewtwo's gonna stop being weak once I complete the missions. I will be looking forward to see how strong he becomes. Let's see his question. Yeah, Clay is really smart. Um, you guys know that this guy is top 3, top 5, just with having 2 Pokemons. I'm pretty sure that he will become great. So that's it, guys. See you later.